Hey guys, hey, Christy Wallace here. I'm the Angel Lady and I help people move beyond their limits. So, you guys, today is day 10 already. 10 days down, 90 to go of 100 days of angel inspiration. So, got my booty moving a little bit earlier today, although not much. I believe it's like almost 3 o'clock, or it's 3 o'clock now, so 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'd really love to do these early in the morning, but I just can't seem to get out of bed to get it done. And that's just a Taurus trait of mine. I'm a Taurus and I love my sleep. So today is day 10 of 100 days of angel inspirations. And I'm feeling angel prayers today. So, I have tons and tons of decks of cards, but just certain ones that I absolutely love working with. So if this is your first time here, I did 100 days of angel inspirations back in 2017 when I was half dead and I wanted to change my life. So it showed up in my Facebook memories and I decided, hey, I'm in a much better place now, and look what it did for me back in 2017. So I decided to revamp it and redo it and make a 2019 version. So if you missed days 1 through 10, they're on my Facebook profile, or they're also on my YouTube channel. So you know how to find me. I'm Christy Wallace, right? All right, so without further ado, today's daily angel inspiration is brought to you by Kyle Gray Angel Prayers. So here we go. You guys, don't forget to share to spread the peace, love, and light. I'm surrounding myself with white light, and I'm asking Archangel Michael to protect me. This reading is for anyone in the world who needs to hear this message today. And we ask that you bring forward a message of hope, peace, love, harmony, whatever needs to be heard for the collective today. And you guys, forgive me for not saying hi to you individually because I am uploading these to YouTube, so it doesn't make much sense to do that there. I may even start doing my lives from there as well, so we'll see what happens, what the universe brings to me. All right, what is today's message? Super warm today in the Northeast, finally, and I have this lovely tree branch just scraping its way across my roof. So if you hear that, it's just my tree saying hello. All right, what is apparently we have a 3-card message today because one of them popped out and 2 of them fell on the floor. So we'll grab the 2 that hit the floor. It's a 3-card message day. I haven't even had a chance to look at the Earth's vibrational frequencies today. I feel like it's been pretty calm though. I felt really relaxed and not stressed out and frazzled so much today. So it was just kind of a chill day for me. So we have 3 cards that popped up, so I'll show them to you. The first one is Transformation, Archangel Zadkiel, and it says, "Thank you, Zadkiel, for supporting me to transform from my past challenges." The next one is Peace and Harmony, which we've had already the other day. I think it was like day 6, and it's Archangel Raguel. And it says, "Thank you, Raguel, for surrounding my life in a harmonious light." And the third one is a new one. It's called Manifesting Miracles, and that's Archangel Orion. And it says, "Thank you, Orion, for manifesting your miracles in my world." So you guys, if you've been following since day 1, I've been talking about the collective and how we're moving towards peace, love, and unity, right? And I don't mean to sound like a hippie. I'm not a hippie. Nothing against hippies. I love my hippie friends. But we are in this transitionary stage, and we're transforming ourselves. We're going through these vibrational frequencies that are actually physically changing our DNA and changing our body. We're heading towards that peace, love, harmony, and unity, right? There's that's all, folks. We're just moving towards that peace and harmony where there's no longer wars, there's no longer hunger, there's no longer fighting or strife. Like, there's just going to be an ascension of the actual human being, and things are changing for all of us collectively. And manifesting miracles is what's happening. Once you get past all of the transition, manifesting things for yourself is just going to be instantaneous. You'll just be able to think about something and it comes to you. And that's already happening for me. Like, I've already gone through transforming myself, right? Because I grew up, I was a big bitch. I was really mean to people, and I had to go through my life and go through my drama and crap to be able to learn from that. And that's what we're all doing. We're all raising as a collective. And once you get past that point where you're radiating the love and harmony from yourself, and you're no longer You're no longer allowing others to affect you, that's when the manifestation miracles come to you. It's because you're no longer living in that negative vibration. You're in that positive space where anything can happen, where miracles can happen, and they do. I see them all the time. So you guys, thank you for joining me today for day 10 of 100 Days of Angel Inspirations. I will be back tomorrow, and we'll see how many cards come up tomorrow. I hope you have a great day. Angel blessings. I'll see you later.